Good morning, beautiful people. I am doing a morning video because today we're doing something very special. Well, first of all, look, I got this little car that's apparently like really old, vintage or whatnot. I do like the wheels though. Very nice. Okay, you want to be in the picture, in the video? Go ahead. Go ahead, homie. Get in there. But today we are releasing a squirrel that someone brought over to release here because I have pine trees. But before that, we just have to see all these orchids in the morning with the humidifiers in there. Oh, I also got an orchid wall art room. So, very nice. And yeah, so those are the phalaenopsis room that I have here at the moment. Look at that big old cat. Bruno! 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 Alright, let's go outside to release this squirrel into the wilderness. So, for you guys that knew, that pergola right there used to be right here. Which, now that I moved it over there to cover the pond, I'm going to be putting that cloth across. Also, if you guys didn't know, I had a lemon tree right here that I took out. And now I put some succulents and then an actual pond. So you have that water lily right there with goldfish and all that good stuff. Lots of plants. For now, just for looks, I am putting the vandas right there. So that way they kind of give it a good look. But yeah. And then I have a greenhouse over here. That is beautiful. And I'll do a video later on that. But anyway, so there's a squirrel there. That's a squirrel right there that I need to release. Hopefully it don't attack me. But, oh, and there's one right there in the tree. So, how do I open this squirrel thing? So yeah, so the friend came over, brought the cage. Oh, hell no, but kill me. So now I just need to release this thing. Look, if this fucking squirrel attacks me, we're gonna have some issues. Alright, hopefully it don't bite me and give me rabies. Get out the way, fruit. How do you even open this? Oh, I see. Oh, there's two of them. Hell. Hold on. Alright, well, you see how crazy she looks? Look at her. Alright, well, anyways, let's release this thing. Oh my god, Jesus. I'm gonna back up now. First of all, I do not like squirrels because they do a lot of damage to the plants, to specifically like on the soil. So now we're releasing this one here in the wilderness. So I don't know if like she's gonna get attacked by the other squirrels. But she normally likes to go up this big tree here all the way up. Oh, she already got something in her mouth. One of those nuts. So someone called me, so my video got interrupted. Oh, and her name is Sasha, I think. That's what they named this damn squirrel. Alright, anyways guys, that's it for now. Back over here to orchids that matter to me. I gotta go under here. But yeah, so this pond right here, I haven't, I guess, showed you guys. So water lilies, some water plants, lots of goldfish in there. You can see a little of them. Bandas. Right now they're fine there because they're not getting direct sunlight. It's not that hot, but eventually it will be. And squirrel over there doing her thing. But yeah, I mean, I guess what I could do is show you the inside of the greenhouse. Ah. So it's 98 degrees in here. You can see it's 98, 75. I'm sorry, 75 degrees and 98% wet. Oh. So yeah, so here I put these phalaenopsis that were done. And now they're getting blooms. Not blooms, buds. Over here you have some too right there. Not sure if you can see them. One right there. So yeah, for you guys that didn't know, whenever the buds fall off, the flowers fall off, do not cut the spikes unless they turn yellow or brown, because it can re-bloom again. So you gotta make sure you just let it do its thing. Over here we see a lot of new orchids. I believe that is a spike, which I'm really excited for. Over here it grew new ones. Where are they at? There's somewhere on this side. Oh, right there. I believe that is a spike on that one, which I'm totally excited. Normally they grow those leaves for a long time and the leaves fall off and then you have the spike. This one right here, really cute. Another thing that I noticed with my carnivorous plants, I just left them here and to do their own thing. And this one right here is like thriving. Look at all that. So this one is catching all the little bugs from the greenhouse. And over here, the pitcher plants, or whatever these, not pitcher plants, the whatever these are called. No, they are pitcher plants, but different kind. This one is having a lot of them as well. Also, these here, I could not get them to live properly. So all the pitcher plants died. But now that I put them here in the greenhouse, they are doing really, really good. Like, look at the little baby pitcher plant. Like, hello, hi. And it has two of them. There's one somewhere else right here, right there. Oh, sorry, try not to move it too much. Look at it, really cute. So yeah, and then this orchid over here, there's two orchids in this one pot and I didn't separate them. So I cut the spike, but now it's growing a spike on the spike or something like that. So yeah guys, the greenhouse, as you can see, after time it grows algae on it, which is great. But yeah, so those are my orchids in this greenhouse that I have here, waiting for them to bloom or something. But yeah, but that's about it guys. Look at that fool right there. She made it all the way over there. But yeah guys, so anyways, that was a video of today of what I'm doing as far as releasing this squirrel to the wilderness, and showing you orchids inside, outside in the greenhouse, the new pond that I did. Yeah, so that's an update for March 2020 with the coronavirus. Let's go. Alrighty, let me know in the comments where you're watching, because I love to hear from what countries you're watching. Alrighty guys, see you later.